how you can create a new Zoom meeting. So make sure your Zoom workplace is opened, and here click on home section. So make sure you are in here, and we want to create a new meeting. So click this icon, new meeting. If you click it, it's gonna open you this preview, and set here your microphone and also your camera. You can also set here your backgrounds, and now simply click on start, and the meeting was created. Here at the top, if you want to, you can rename your meeting. So for example, meeting number 1, press enter or this arrow. And if you want to invite someone, make sure to copy this meeting ID and send it to your friend. So from your friend's point of view, he has to click this join icon, and you have to send him that ID. This ID, he can enter it and join to your meeting. Or you can just click on participants, this little arrow, and invite someone, or copy invite link and send it to someone. So that's how you can create a new Zoom meeting. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.